In this video, I'll show you how to fix the no internet connection issue on any router so you can get back online fast. This problem is super common. You'll see Wi-Fi connected, but there's no internet access. Don't worry, I'll walk you through several methods to fix it. Method 1, restart your router and modem. Unplug the power cables from both your router and modem. Wait 30 seconds, then plug them back in. Give it a minute to reconnect and test your internet. Method 2, check the cables. Make sure all Ethernet and power cables are firmly connected. If any cable looks damaged, replace it. Method 3, restart your device. Sometimes the issue is with your computer or phone, not the router. Restart your device and try reconnecting to Wi-Fi. Method 4, reset network settings. On your PC or phone, forget the Wi-Fi network and reconnect by entering the password again. If needed, reset your network settings from the device's settings menu. Method 5, factory reset the router. If nothing works, press and hold the reset button on the back of your router for 10 to 15 seconds. This will restore it to factory defaults. Important notes. Make sure your internet service is active with your provider. Sometimes the issue is on their side. Place your router in an open area for the best signal. After a factory reset, you'll need to set up your Wi-Fi name and password again. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more internet and router troubleshooting tips.